Is your medical degree alone enough to build the successful career you dream of? What if one skill could completely change your medical career? Whether you are MBBS, BMS, BHMS or BUMS graduates, you may have realized that today's healthcare world demands more than just a degree. Patients are increasingly looking for specialists, and the doctors who develop specialized clinical skill are the one who build stronger practice, earn greater trust and create a more secure future. What if in just a few months you could start your journey from being a general practitioner to become a recognized anorectal specialist? Today, thousands of doctors are doing general practice. However, competition is increasing every year. Many doctors struggle to differentiate themselves in a crowded healthcare market. As a result, practice growth often becomes slow and limited. At the same time, anorectal disease such as piles, fissure, fistula, pilonidal sinus and chronic constipation are rapidly increasing worldwide. Unfortunately, there are still very few doctors who are properly trained to manage this condition effectively. Hello, I am Dr. Sudhakar Todkar. For the last 16 years, I have been exclusively practicing in the field of anorectal diseases. I have successfully treated thousands of patients using Ayurvedic medicine, Kshaar Sutra therapy, modern surgical technique and laser procedure. Now I am bringing my years of clinical experience together into a structured training program designed specially for medical graduates who want to build expertise in this field rewarding specialty. Especially for medical graduate who want to build expertise in this highly rewarding specialty. I proudly present the 30 days Master in Kshaar Sutra and Anorectal Practice program. This course is specially designed for MBBS, BMS, BHMS and BUMS graduates. During this program, you will learn applied anatomy and physiology of anorectal region, clinical examination and diagnosis of anorectal diseases, management of piles, fissure, fistula and pilonidal sinus, their medical treatment protocol and surgical management, Kshaar Sutra therapy, surgical techniques, patient counseling and follow-up, building a successful anorectal practice. From fundamental to advanced clinical management, everything is covered in step-by-step manner. Understanding the busy schedule of medical professional, all lectures are provided in a pre-recorded format. This means you can learn anytime, anywhere and at your own pace. There are no fixed class timing, no need to close your clinic, no need to travel. In addition, every Sunday we conduct a live question and answer session where you can discuss clinical cases, clear your doubts and interact directly with me. Knowledge becomes valuable only when it is applied in a real clinical situation. That is why after successfully completing the 30 days theory program, you will have the opportunity to undergo 30 days hands-on clinical training at our hospital. During this training, you will observe real patient cases, participate in case discussion, learn procedure planning, understand decision-making process and gain practical exposure to anorectal practice. This experience will help bridge the gap between theory and real-world clinical practice. Imagine the transformation. Today, you may be practicing as a general doctor, but with specialized skill in anorectal disease management, you can develop a unique professional identity. Patients begin to seek your expertise. Referral cases start coming to your clinic. Your confidence grows. Your clinical outcomes improve. Your professional reputation strengthens. And naturally, your income potential increase as well. This is the power of specialization. If you are ready to upgrade your clinical skill, if you want to build a specialized practice, if you want to master Kshaar Sutra and anorectal disease management, then this program is for you. Join the 30 days Master in Kshaar Sutra and Anorectal Practice program and take the next step towards becoming a confident and successful anorectal specialist. Seats are limited. Register today and start your specialist journey. Always remember, a degree makes you a doctor. Specialized skill make you an expert. For more details, send a hi message on below WhatsApp number or click the link below.